In the heart of the UAE, a revolution is unfolding, and it's not just about luxury cars, skyline marvels, or high speed trains. This time, it's about a robotic fleet unlike anything the Middle East has ever seen. Meet Micropolis, a Dubai based robotics firm on a mission to redefine how cities restore forests, clean industries, and protect public spaces. Unveiled at Make It in the Emirates 2025 in Abu Dhabi, Micropolis introduced three groundbreaking autonomous systems, each with a distinct purpose and each loaded with next gen AI. Think of it as the Iron Man moment for civic robotics. First up, the Robotic Forestry Unit. It's not just a machine, it's a mobile ecosystem recovery system on wheels, equipped with a soil conditioning ground vehicle, a drone swarm for aerial seed dispersal, and a robotic arm that can precisely place nutrients and saplings into the ground. This isn't a fantasy, it's working hardware, built to combat desertification, wildfire aftermath, and the silent retreat of natural ecosystems. Now imagine deploying this system in places where human access is dangerous, remote, or economically impossible. That's where this innovation truly shines. It overcomes the long standing barrier of terrain accessibility, making large scale reforestation not only feasible but scalable. Next comes the Box Cleaner. Developed in collaboration with MCS Robotics, this machine is designed to sanitize high throughput industrial environments like warehouses and cold storage facilities. But don't mistake it for a janitor bot. It's equipped with dry ice blasting, high pressure chemical jets, AI powered residue detection, and fully autonomous cleaning cycles. It's built on Micropolis's M2 modular platform, which means it can adapt to different cleaning needs and industries. And the best part, it doesn't just clean, it verifies and reports hygiene levels using onboard AI. This is more than a robot, it's a hygiene compliant system on wheels. But now, let's talk about the showstopper, the M01 Patrol Unit, designed for and already deployed by Dubai Police. This is not a prototype, it's actively patrolling streets, monitoring crowds, scanning license plates, and navigating urban chaos, all autonomously. With 360-degree AI vision, thermal imaging, autonomous navigation, and real time connectivity to Dubai's law enforcement network, this machine isn't just watching the city, it's part of the city. Its brain, the Microspot intelligence platform, ties into other M Patrol units and city surveillance, delivering facial recognition, criminal network analysis, and predictive threat detection. It's like Minority Report, but real, and it's operating now. Micropolis is the only company deploying a unified, multi industry robotic fleet with live government integration in a smart city ecosystem. No test labs, no pilots. These robots are on duty. Historically, robotic policing and environmental automation have remained largely siloed, either as prototypes or one off deployments. Micropolis breaks that mold and builds systems designed for long term autonomous use in real world conditions, under extreme climates, in high density zones, and even in isolated wilderness. From a technological standpoint, they've tackled some of the industry's hardest problems, from autonomous navigation in outdoor unpredictability to precision reforestation and zero contact industrial sanitation. Add to that encrypted storage, ethical AI policies, and human override options, and you get a robotic system that's practical, scalable, and already making a difference. Strategically, Micropolis's robots hit a sweet spot where environmental urgency, urban expansion, and AI powered governance intersect. These systems aren't just tools, they're infrastructure. And with UAE's government backing and export potential to cities like Singapore or Riyadh, Micropolis is well positioned to lead the smart robotics wave in the Middle East and beyond. If you found this exploration fascinating, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more deep dives into cutting edge tech, and drop a comment telling us which Micropolis robot you'd want to see in your city.